Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with chapter 5 in your grammar, determiners. What is a determiner? We can say it introduces a noun, it determines a noun, or tells us whether it is a general or a particular noun. Okay, now there are 4 kinds of determiners which we are going to study in this chapter. The first one is articles. Articles comes before noun. Articles are a, an and the. A and an are indefinite article. It tells us about a general noun. For example, a book is man's best friend. We are talking about any book. The is a definite article and it tells us about a particular noun. For example, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, the Indian Ocean. Okay. Now, coming to a and an, indefinite article, is used to refer, is used before a singular noun. Singular countable noun, example, a girl, a boy. It is also used in exclamatory expressions like, what a beautiful day. It is used to express frequency, example, twice a day, thrice a week, to express the quantity. For example, a cup of tea. It is used before price, speed, ratio, etc. Now there is a slight difference between how to use a and an. Both of them are indefinite articles, but a is used before the words beginning with consonant sounds, whereas an is used before the words beginning with vowel sound. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. If we take a word honest, H-O-N-E-S-T, H is a consonant. So we are not going to use a because, as I told you, we have to pay attention towards the sound. Sound comes here of O, honest. Hence we are going to say, we are going to use an honest man. Now coming to the is a definite article. The can be used with both countable singular and plural noun. The, as already told you, it indicates a particular noun. Hence it is used before the names of the name of oceans, newspapers, mountains, rivers, etc. The is also used before the name of families like the Kapoors, the Negis, the Sharmas. The is also used before the superlative degree, the most beautiful girl in the class, the tallest boy. Now coming to the possessives. Possessives are like which tells about the ownership or the possession of something. Okay, for example, mine, my, ours, yours, theirs, etc. Possessives can be adjectives also and pronouns also. Okay, now coming to demonstratives. Demonstratives are of 2 types, that is this and that. We use this and that with singular and countable nouns, and we use these and those with plural nouns. That is used to avoid the repetition of noun. For example, I have a red dress. I wore red dress to the party. Here red dress is repeated again. To avoid this repetition, we can use that. I have a red dress. I wore that to the party. That is also used if the speaker is speaking about something which is far off. That book. Now coming to this. This is used when the speaker is speaking about something which is near. I have read this book. Now coming to the last one, that is quantifying determiners. Now quantifying determiners tells us about the quantity, how much, how many. It can be divided into two types, the determiners of number, determiners of quantity. The determiners of number specifies how many. For example, 2, 4, several, many, etc. There are 4 boys playing outside. 4, it's the number, how many. Coming to the determiners of quantity, it specifies how much. For example, I have lots of rice but no curry. I'm talking about how much rice I have. Children, hope you have understood today's topic which we have discussed. Read the notes which I have uploaded in the eCare and complete the worksheet. Thank you.